Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of Aseel female chickens and their adorable chicks. Aseel chickens are a unique and ancient breed with distinctive characteristics, and their reproductive cycle is equally interesting. Let's go into this topic step by step. Aseel female chickens. Today we are going to step by step discussion the Aseel qualities. Aseel hens overview. Aseel hens are known for their strong build and distinctive appearance. Originated in South Asia, particularly India and Pakistan. Typically medium to large size birds with a muscular frame. Aseel chicken's physical features: long neck, broad chest and powerful beak, short and strong legs with strong claws. Variety of colors and plug pattern are discussed here. Temperature. Discuss their aggressive and territorial nature. Mention their popularity in cockfighting, but highlight the ethical eggs production. Egg laying. Aseel hens are not prolific layers, lay fewer eggs compared to commercial breeds. Larger eggs with unique appearance. Meat quality. Aseel chicken's meat is prized for its flavor and quality. Learn meat used in traditional South Asian dishes. Transition. Now let's shift our focus to the fascinating world of Aseel hens chicks. Aseel hens are can be excellent mother brooding interests. They protect and care for their chicks diligently. Hatching process. Discuss the incubation period. Aseel hens typically lay a small number of eggs. Eggs incubated for about 21 days. Raising Aseel chicks. Provide appropriate nesting and brooding conditions. Chicks are hardy but require protective from extreme weather. Growth and development. Highlight the growth stage of Aseel chicks. Proper nutrition and care are crucial for healthy development. Features in culture significant. Highlight the role of Aseel features in cultural traditions. Features are used in various ceremonies in ritual in South Asian cultures. They hold symbolic value and are often incorporated in traditional clothing and accessories. Features, colors and pattern. Explore the variety of feather colors and pattern found in Aseel birds. Common colors include black, white, red. Some Aseel birds display beautiful and intricate plug patterns. Feature cares. Discuss the importance of feature can in Aseel birds. Aseel features require regular grooming to maintain their condition. Proper nutrition and a clean environment contribute to health features. Transitions. Now they have covered the unique feature characteristics and cultural significance of Aseel features. Let's conclusion. In conclusion, Aseel female chickens are remarkable birds with unique characteristics, and their chicks are equally fascinated from their strong build to their territorial nature. Aseel hens have a special place in the world of poultry. Their chicks, nurtured by caring mothers, represented by continuation of this ancient and cultural significant breed. Thank you for joining me in exploring the world of Aseel female chickens and their chicks. If you have any question, then you comment.